Let's start with this update. South Africa's inflation rate increased slightly to 2.9% in November, remaining below the central bank's target, aided by a significant drop in food inflation to its lowest level in nearly 14 years at 2.3%. Moreover, month-on-month inflation held steady at 0.0%. Meanwhile, core inflation, excluding food and fuel, also fell to 3.7%. Standard Bank's Dr. Anna Mullman offers further analysis on these developments.
In contrast with widespread expectations that consumer inflation would re-enter the Reserve Bank's 3 to 6% target range in November, it stayed below that range at just 2.9%, so the second consecutive month of inflation being below that range. The downside surprise relative to our forecasts to a large extent came from food prices, which declined on a month-on-month basis by 0.5%. So this implies significant relief for consumers, with inflation now reasonably low and lower than the income growth of most consumers, and then specifically food inflation being quite low, which is of course one of the major non-discretionary spending items. So this is supportive of the recovery that we expect to see in consumer spending in the coming months. For the Reserve Bank, this confirms that there is scope to ease monetary policy with further interest